Behold the magic that can mesmerize toddlers and preschoolers, take them away from their screens and their K-pop, and occupy them for hours. So we had the grandkids this weekend, right after work, Friday afternoon, and we had missed them so much. But there comes a time after a couple of hours where you've got to get stuff done, and just attaching them to their tablets, that's not going to work for longer than maybe 15, 20 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, maybe shorter than that with a 3-year-old and a 4-year-old. And if you're a teacher like I am, sometimes you need a little something. I was using polymer clay last week, and some of my students didn't have any, and they are distance learners. So here, I sent them to their kitchen. While you're cooking dinner or creating art of your own, here is a recipe for how to make homemade Play-Doh from scratch, really easy, fast, using what's in your cabinet already in the kitchen. I'm going to tell you, I put much less oil and much more flour in my Play-Doh, and I make sure that anything that's damp and sticky has flour attached to it, because with these little fingers, I just don't want that Play-Doh all over the place and sticky fingers touching all over the furniture and all of that. So yes, they're going to have fun, but this is a drier kind of Play-Doh that I'm making. So my recipe is a little different from what you usually see. It's a specifically non-sticky recipe, okay? So it's 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm water, 1/4 cup of salt, 1/8 of a cup of oil, and a few drops of your favorite food coloring. First step is to dump 2 of your cups of flour into a bowl or a pan. Add 1/4 cup of salt. Mix it together. Add 1 cup of water, and before I put my couple of drops of food coloring into the water first to make it mix a little bit better. Pouring it in, I started to mix it with my whisk, but that didn't turn out too well, so I switched to a spoon. Look how sticky it gets. Mix it really well. Get all of that flour in there. And it's still going to be kind of sticky, so that's where the 1/3 cup of flour is going to come in. Pour about 1/8 of a cup of oil. And I'm telling you, when you add that oil to this is way too sticky. And that's how a lot of the traditional recipes were. So you need more flour. Here's the 1/3 cup of flour. Knead it just the way you would be kneading it if you were baking bread or making a pie crust. And just like I make my pie crusts when I go and make my sweet potato pie, I do everything pretty much by ear to taste, but we're not going to be tasting this. That reminds me, remind the little ones, do not put this in their mouth. It's going to be safe, but still. Look how sticky it is right now. It's still sticky. So as long as you see that stickiness, put it back into the flour. Put it back into the flour. We actually put purple sugar sprinkles in our blue Play-Doh because my 4-year-old granddaughter asked if we could, so there you go. Alright, let's see how this turns out.
Then you can put the sprinkles. Then
Then I give each one of them their own piece of dough in a bowl or on a plate or in a flat pan, and give them a couple of cookie cutters and safe things to use like lids from jars and things like that, and let them enjoy. And I don't have to worry about sticky fingers so much. Put them in one spot, let them have fun. And it still turns out great, and they can do all kinds of things with it, and it still lasts till the next day if you keep it in a Ziploc bag. While they are enjoying themselves with the Play-Doh, if you've finished everything you needed to do and you just need to chill and you want something that is rejuvenating, then pick up some clay yourself, some polymer clay. Maybe grab some paper, some paint, some watercolors. And if you need some ideas on what you could do, you can always go and download my Art for Self-Care journal, 365 days, 52 weeks worth of activities to help you just blossom and take that time to take care of yourself. It's down below. And once again, if you want to see how you can use the arts to develop yourself, to take care of yourself better, this is the 50 plus self-care journey, and I invite you to come join me on my journey. I'm an artist and a writer and a teacher, and as you can see, a grandmother and busy woman. Just like you, I wear so many hats. Please go ahead and subscribe, like this video if it's helpful to you, and go ahead and hit that notification bell.